all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surabhi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Sobha Group. I would like to introduce Ms. Tina Talwar, Senior VP Sales and Marketing. Welcome, ma'am.
Hello.
Ankit Bhardwaj, AGM Sales. Welcome, sir. And Mr. Manmeet Sharma, Deputy Manager Sales. Welcome, sir. From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Sunny Gupta, Regional Head. Warm welcome to our panelists. Now, Sobha is one of the most recognized brands in Indian real estate market. With their pan-India presence, they are well known for creating some of the fabulous landmarks in India in residential, commercial, and retail segment. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Sobha and Mr. Gupta to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Starting with Ms. Tina.
Thank you so much. Sobha, as you know, was founded in 1976 in the Middle East and incorporated in India in 1995 by our founder, Mr. PNC Menon, and with a clear vision to perceive, to transform the way people perceive quality. Sobha, over the last, 25 years now, has delivered primarily residential and contractual projects. We are present across 27 cities and have delivered around 107 million square feet. We ventured into NCR about, almost in 2011 and have had 2 projects since our launch here. Thank you.
Mr. Gupta.
Hello everyone. PropTiger is a real estate consulting company that has been in operation since 2011 and is a major contributor in sales for Category A developers across India. We are having our presence in all the metro cities in India. Thank you.
Thank you. Before we proceed, let me show you why Sector 108 Gurgaon continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here is a video for all our viewers.
With a phenomenal growth in per capita income, home to nearly 500 MNCs, of which more than 250 are Fortune 500 companies, blessed with unparalleled social infrastructure and connectivity, Gurgaon is truly the Millennium City. With its proximity to Delhi, it not only benefits from its commercial standing, but leverages its political mileage as well. The increase in commercial activities paired with various infrastructure upgrades has helped Gurgaon real estate to thrive. Primarily being the favored destination for mid and upper ticket size housing units, the presence of corporate offices has given an added boost to this factor. With this, the demand for housing is not just sustainable but is also increasing. Sector 108 Gurgaon is just off the Dwarka Expressway, which is witnessing enormous developments. This location has not only attracted private investments but is also becoming home to some of the major investments from the government. Over the past few years, several mega projects have been announced, initiated and completed in the vicinity of Dwarka Expressway, making this an upcoming economic hub of the country. Already developed commercial and economic centers of Gurgaon like Cyber City and Udyog Vihar are located in the close vicinity that makes Upper Dwarka Expressway a sought-after destination. This location boasts of easy access to Gurgaon's existing infrastructure of corporate hubs, hospitality, education and healthcare centers, and with the completion of Dwarka Expressway, this region will have seamless connectivity to Dwarka, IGI Airport and South Delhi. Sobha developers need no introduction. Such is the craftsmanship and attention to detail of a Sobha home, that it becomes a legacy, an heirloom, a milestone and an exceptional emotional statement. This indisputable standing comes from the consistency with which Sobha has inculcated its passion for excellence ever since it was founded in 1995. Sobha's in-house expertise, backward integration, and an organization culture of excellence has helped them deliver high-quality homes on time, every time. Introducing Sobha City, With an impressive 500-meter frontage on an operational 75-meter wide road, Sobha City Gurgaon is spread across a contiguous land of 39 acres, surrounded by Delhi's reserved greens on two sides with only farmhouses and low-rise future developments. One of the unique aspects of master planning of Sobha City is placing of the residential towers at the periphery of this 39-acre land parcel. This provides for easy access to amenities and offers uninterrupted beautiful views from all the residences. For those units which are oriented to offer views within the complex, there is a 8.5 acre of absolute green spaces, lush green 90-meter diameter cricket ground, the camping ground, party lawns and a resort-style lakeland. The units oriented to offer views outside the development provide the freshness of seamless vast expanse of Delhi's reserved greens on one side and low-rise villa development International City on the other. Families across India have chosen Sobha Home as their preferred address. A beautiful life at Sobha Home comes with the promise of an unparalleled pleasure of living.
I hope our viewers have found this video helpful. Let's get to some question answers. Ms. Talwar, please tell us what is the USP of Sobha Group and why should home buyers invest with Sobha?
Thank you. As you just saw, we were founded, in India in 1995, with a very clear vision that we wanted to transform the way people perceive quality in the real estate sector in India. And hence, the main USP of Sobha is that it's perhaps India's only backward integrated real estate company to have complete in-house expertise from concept to completion. This is one key facet that differentiates Sobha from all other real estate developers across India and perhaps the world too. We have our own architectural and design studios, a self-reliant MEP and design execution team, factories for interiors, concrete works, metal and glazing, woodworking, and a Sobha Academy where we train our own resources, engineers and supervisors to essentially, get the manpower or the skill set that we need to give absolute topmost quality to our buyers. All this enables us to deliver our homes on time, every time. In fact, it is believed that Sobha has been delivering one home every 10 hours for the last 10 years. So execution power excellence, world-class product, customer-centric approach, uncompromising business ethics, transparency in all spheres of business, and 100% guarantee of delivery is what makes us the preferred real estate brand and choice for home buyers. So all these are probably the main reasons why home buyers should invest in Sobha Home.
Thank you. Mr. Gupta, how is the area Sector 108 Gurgaon for investment purpose and what are the growth drivers here and scope of development like?
Well, Sector 108 is a very strategically located sector as it enjoys a very close proximity to Delhi. Plus, it is hardly 15 minutes from the IGI airport. Also, now the Dwarka Expressway work is in the advanced stages. So this sector will definitely see a price appreciation once the expressway is complete. So it definitely becomes a good location to invest. The growth drivers being close proximity to Delhi, the airport, and of course the connectivity advantages that Dwarka Expressway will bring along.
Ms. Tina, tell us about your project Sobha City in Sector 108 Gurgaon and what do you think will appeal to home buyers?
So Sobha City is our flagship project in the NCR region. It's spread across a mammoth 39 acres. That's really huge. It's a premium and the largest group housing project in the NCR region, I believe. The project is located, as Sunny just mentioned, in Sector 108 at the Upper Dwarka Expressway, which directly connects to Delhi, and hence it's minutes away from the IGI airport, Aerocity, and Asia's largest sub-city, Dwarka. And that's where most of our audiences are. The project has many USPs, of which most important are its location and master planning. Sobha City is surrounded by Delhi's reserved greens, and with 2.4 lakh square feet of lifestyle amenities, within the project, the sheer size of the project allows the home buyers to get more greens, more spaces, unlike anywhere else in Delhi NCR. And almost 86% of the 39 acres is open. I mean, that's unheard of. To give you a comparison of how big 39 acres is, a football field, a professional football field is roughly 1 acre, maybe slightly smaller. So this is equivalent to 40 football fields. So it's huge. The project features only 22 towers on 39 acres of land, which is only occupying 11% of the entire project land. So you can imagine the possibilities of greenery, open spaces, recreation activities, which is such a rarity in urban cities like Gurgaon. And that's why Shobha City is also known as Urban Park Residences. Shobha City, and one more point that I would like to highlight is Shobha City is committed to green living, be it water, energy, garbage disposal, sewage treatment, or recycling. It's a 360-degree effort towards total and complete sustainability. Hence, Shobha City will appeal to intelligent, aware, and environmentally and socially conscious buyers.
Could you also throw some light on available property options in your project?
Like I mentioned, the project only has 22 towers, accommodating about 1,700 homes. The apartment configuration is perhaps the best feature of the development. The apartment sizes have been meticulously optimized to the current need of young, aspiring families. There are 5 variations of apartment sizes ranging from 1,381 square feet, which is a 2-bedroom residence, going to 2,343 square feet, which is a 3-bedroom and a study. I think we shall go through a detailed breakup of these options and categories in our future presentations.
Could you give us some idea about who your buyers are?
Okay, so before we move to who our buyers are, let's look at why people are buying homes for the first very reason. They can broadly be divided into 2 categories. People are either buying it for an investment, which could be either to gain rentals, capital gains, or just as savings. I mean, it's a tangible asset at the end of the day. Second is for end use, which necessarily means that you are buying a home either for your own use, for your parents, or for your kids. Another reason that people have been buying homes is gifting. We have observed that amongst our buyer segment, that many people buy quality homes or invest in quality homes for their young children. At Shobha City, almost 75% of our buyers are end users. And they are investing to upgrade their lifestyles and provide a safe, secure, and active life for themselves and their families. Our buyers are a healthy mix of top corporates, entrepreneurs, business owners, defense personnel, bureaucrats, self-employed professionals, and high-ranking government officers. So we firmly believe that Shobha City will actually be a community of like-minded, happy people.
Thank you for your insights, Ms. Tina. Moving on to our next segment, I would like to request Team Shobha to walk us through their project presentation for the benefit of us.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ankit Bhardwaj. I'll take you through the brief introduction of the organization. Although Ms. Tina Talwar has given just what we are and how unique we are in the way of working. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that we started operations in India in 1995. Before that, we were operational outside India for approximately 20 years, and the kind of experience we have got from the countries outside and the DNA which has been developed over 20 years, that is changing the perception of quality in India. Post our inception on 7th of August 1995 in India, starting from Bangalore, we have delivered more than 465 contractual and real estate projects, which is comprising more than 107 million square feet, and 51 million square feet is still under construction. So in 2006, we introduced our IPO, which was around 127 times subscribed. That was a history in itself. Any real estate organization coming to the capital market and introducing an IPO and subscribed 127 times. So that shows the strength and the belief of the investors in the organization. Post that, if I would like to mention that in 2011 we entered into our Delhi and NCR market with International City, which is a completely developed township. And 2014 we were awarded as World Economic Forum awarded us. 2018 we ventured into the Ahmedabad market with over 100 million square feet development. And 2019, we entered into our 25th year of commensuration. So this is how we have been moving and developing our projects. Can you go to the next slide? These are some awards and recognition we have got from different Franchise India and CNBC award, and there are awards from different track to realities. So 2016 we have got an award as the best developer of the year. So these are a few awards. We have mentioned around 5 years of track to reality. Now, the most important part which one should know about Shobha is the Shobha way, how we are different and why we are so. So to explain it, the most important part is the self-belief to the excellence. The culture of the organization is attain the excellence in quality. Now, there are 5-6 factors which are very important for a developer. That is man, machine, money, and maps, you can say. So, most of the things are in-house. That makes us completely self-reliant. Our manpower is in-house, machinery is in-house, our material, we have our own concrete block plants, our metal and glazing plants, our, as Tina ma'am mentioned, that we have our own design studios. So maps are also coming. So it reduces the dependency on any other party, and we become self-reliant. So in case of any emergency situation, like these are the days, so we are not dependent upon any third party. The work is not suffering. Everything is going very smoothly within the organization, since we are a perfectly backward integrated organization. Now, as far as our global presence is concerned, we are present in 6 countries and 27 cities in India. As I mentioned earlier, 28,000 employees within the organization. So the magnitude of the organization is humongous, and that makes us really a strong brand across the globe. I mentioned earlier also that 467 real estate and contractual projects have already been handed over, and 107 million square feet. That shows the strength of the delivery, and 51 million square feet is already under construction, which will be delivered in the coming times. So who are the buyers? What makes Shobha community different? To mention, as Tina ma'am explained earlier also, our products are basically bought by the people who are industry leaders. They are successful in their careers. One thing I personally feel that people with a taste and exposure, who are well traveled, they have seen quality, they admire quality, they are the buyers. And lots of people from defense forces, SCS, CXOs, CEOs, these are our home buyers. More than 23,000 families have chosen Shobha as their final home. And you can easily imagine this is a number which is crossing up approximately 150 lakh people. So these are the people who have shown confidence in the brand, and it is increasing every day. Now, Sunny has explained the location, Dwarka Expressway. I will give you a brief about the presence of Shobha City, how strategically placed we are on Dwarka Expressway. We are on Upper Dwarka Expressway, which is a parallel road to the expressway. The expressway is approximately 29 kilometers of length. And the good part is that it is a signal-free connectivity from Delhi to Manesar. Now, we need to understand how important this part of highway is. The population which is residing in Dwarka, that is approximately 10 lakh, which is Asia's largest subcity. And if you see the population of western part of Delhi, that is comprising approximately 25 lakhs people. So, and Gurgaon itself is approximately 9.5 lakh people. So this is a connectivity which is making it easy to commute Delhi from West Delhi to Gurgaon, which is giving job opportunity from, you can say, Manesar, then Cyber City, then Udyog Vihar. So if I tell you the sizes of these developments, Udyog Vihar itself is 1,125 acres, which is completely commercial and office space. Then if you see the Reliance SEZ which is coming up is 8,250 acres. Your IMT Manesar is approximately 2,087 acres. Then we need to understand why this area is important. Now the next developments which are coming up in the area are only towards the border of Delhi and Haryana. The new developments which are happening in Aerocity, the new developments which are happening near Ambience Mall at the border of Delhi and Haryana, the new developments which are happening in sector 114 and 115, the new convention center, International Expo Center which is coming up. All these developments which are happening, they are happening on the border of Delhi and Haryana, which makes it very easy to commute from Delhi to Haryana for office use. So that because of ease of connectivity, most of the organizations, the companies, Fortune 500 companies, out of which 50% of the companies are present currently in Gurgaon, they are opting to go towards the border areas so that the commute to the airport as well as for their employees becomes very easy and convenient. Now this Dwarka Expressway will give a relaxed communication, you can say the relaxed commute as far as Dwarka and this area is concerned, because you can see NH8 is the only connectivity currently which is present in this area. So this will ease out the congestion on NH8 and it will be very convenient for the people to commute Delhi from Dwarka to Gurgaon. So for the project brief, I would like to introduce my colleague, Mr. Manmeet. He will take you through the project details.
So I'll be taking you through Shobha City Gurgaon. So as we have seen.
Mr. Manmeet, we cannot hear you. Can you speak a little louder?
Am I audible now?
Yeah, a bit better.
Yeah. So I'll be taking you all through Shobha City Gurgaon, which is spread across in 39 acres of land. And this is the bird eye view which you can see right now. And you can see, as it was explained, it's from two sides. It's adjacent to Delhi Reserve Greens. And very nicely, all the towers have been placed on the periphery of the project, which enables, not to have a cluttered placement of all the towers. So it is very nicely placed, and being a contiguous land parcel, so it adds on to the grandeur of the project as well. In the next slide, I will showcase how all the towers are placed, and having 39 acres of land enabled us to have 16 plus sports amenities, which will be dedicated to all the residents who will be residing in here, having a array of amenities, 16 plus sports amenities when I talk about. So starting from 90-meter dive of a cricket ground, full length size of a basketball court, a volleyball court, and along with that 3 floodlit tennis courts as well. So all these amenities which you're seeing right now, they are all as per international standards and dimensions. So even in this all 86% of open spaces, we have also embedded this 100 meters length of a resort style lakelet, which is not only there for the aesthetical purpose, but yes, over there, there's a 60-meter length of an Olympic lap of a swimming pool, which is embedded. So when we are talking about such amenities, 8.5 acres of dedicated green spaces. So these are the sort of amenities which we are looking up to when we talk about Shobha City Gurgaon. So last but not the least, when I take you to further in a shorter glimpse of overview of Shobha City. So as I've shared with you, 16 plus sports amenities, 39 acres of absolute greens, and plus it adds on to the grandeur because as Ms. Tina Talwar also mentioned that this is one of a kind land parcel. So the kind of a profile this land has, 39 acres of a land parcel, is quite a massive in its own self. So to list a few amenities, that's how we go further about it. So even having open air spaces or open 86% of open spaces, we haven't forgot the clubbing at all. So we have also introduced 2 clubhouses, having one of the clubs have all-weather swimming pool, 25-meter length of an all-weather swimming pool as well, having indoor racket sports facilities as well. For example, squash court, your indoor badminton spaces as well. So dedicatedly, these are the few things which majority of the projects will not have our project Shobha City Gurgaon differentiates on those podiums with other projects. Having 1 kilometer length of a walking, jogging, and a cycling trail, dedicated 10,000 square feet spread across camping ground. So while having all these amenities embedded, all these factors acts as an added-on factor and features for all an upscale and a premium living. So these all are the amenities which I have already explained as 16 plus sports amenities, which are as per dedicated as per international standards and dimensions, wherein we have pointed out on the project master plan as well. So moving further ahead on the next slide. So when we have spoken about the layout or let's say the option of residences. So the option of residences, they start from 1381 square feet of a size to 2,343 square feet of an apartment. Okay. So now while we are saying efficiency of the area, which is really very important. When we talk about the towers, we have strategically placed them as well. So as right now you can see from the kind of option of layouts which we have, 1381 square feet of an apartment, having a 2-bedroom having a 2-bedroom residence of a layout. Then moving towards the next one, 1711 square feet, a typical 3-bedroom residence of a layout. Moving further ahead, or 2,003 square feet of a layout, wherein we'll be also taking you through a tour on our site as well. And a premium layouts of 2,072 square feet of a square feet of a layout, and 2,343 square feet of a layout, which is again 3+1 of a nice option. So all these options are also available on our website, which is showcased on the last slide of our presentation, wherein you can always have a digitours for all of these layouts, and you can have a walkthrough for the same. Yes.
Thank you, team, for the presentation. Moving on, let's pick some audience questions. So Ms. Rashi Sharma is asking, what is the booking amount and what is your refund policy? Mr. Ankit, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for asking the question. And I would like to mention that the booking amount remains.
Mr. Ankit, you're not audible. Can you speak a little louder?
Is it better now?
A little better, yeah.
Yeah. So I was saying that the booking amount remains at 10% of the property value, but to make it as a little convenient for the clients to enter in the property, we are taking 3 lakhs and 5 lakhs as the expression of interest amount these days, which makes it really convenient for the home buyers to enter into the project. And the balance they can complete within 30 days.
So Ms. Rashmi is asking, I want a tour of this property online. Is it possible? And how can I be assured that it is genuine also? Mr. Gupta, would you like to take that?
Sure, Ms. Rashmi, I'll answer the latter part of the question first about the genuinity of the information being shared. So the information being shared with the online can easily be cross-checked with what is available on the RERA website, and one should always do so. You also have to ensure that you're in touch with a RERA registered channel partner and always cross-check whatever information is being shared by the CP or the channel partner with the developer staff. Regarding the tour of the property, we have made special arrangements for our viewers today, and we'll take you to the site right away and showcase the developments right now. Can we have?
Yeah. So this tower, which we can see, is our premium tower, which is C1. This is having occupations of 2,072 square feet and 2,300 square feet. Now, this road which you see is on the right hand side is Shobha City, and on the left hand side is our International City Development, which is a completely developed villa township. This road is connecting you with Nazafgarh Road, and this is a 75-meter wide road. You can see the frontage of the site. This is approximately half a kilometer. Now, on both the sides, there is only Shobha development which you can see. So you can easily imagine how premium this locality will become, because on the Villa Township, the development, the price range starts from approximately 4.5 CR and goes up to 12 crore. And on the other side, where Shobha City is getting developed, if you can pan out a bit and show us a little more on the right hand side, the area which you can see adjacent to Shobha City, this is uninterrupted, unended greens. So my personal opinion is, in the coming times, it will be better for our future generation. At least they will be able to breathe in these areas because of low density of construction just adjacent to the project. And immediately after the project, there will be a very premium farmhouse development. Now, you are seeing the complete Shobha City development. As you can see the center, there is a round shape green area. Can you move towards left a bit? So this is our 90-meter dia cricket ground. The round shaped green area. This is the cricket ground, and just adjacent to that is our Oval 1, which is club. That is approximately 20,000 square feet of clubbing. We have another club which is Oval 2. So 40,000 square feet of indoor clubbing. Now the tower which you can see, the taller towers, they are getting handed over in another 16 months. So the earliest possession is coming up in around 16 months. So the internal green areas which you can see, these are approximately 8.5 acres. And if you see the complete land, only 11% of the land is utilized to build the towers. Rest of the land is open and green.
Right. Ravi, can we also have a look at the sample apartment at the site for our viewers?
So I think this is absolutely a live telecast, and to answer the question of your customer, this authenticity of the development and the work which is going on at the site presently.
Yeah, Ravi, you can bring the drone down back and take us to the sample apartment.
This is Oval 1. And you can see the magnitude of the openness in the green areas, which is very relevant in these days, because most of the indoor activities are you can say restricted. But when you have open areas in the project, you can enjoy your daily exercise and activities.
So Ankit, can we also have a look at the unique Sobha museum that we have at the site?
Yeah, sure. This is one of the unique thing which Shobha has. I think go back to the museum.
Okay, let's see the sample apartment first.
Okay.
So this is a 3 BHK, right?
This is a 3-bedroom residency. This is one of the most preferred sizes in Shobha city. This is a 2003 square foot 3-bedroom apartment. This is having living and dining. The living area has a balcony which is attached and opening up into the greens. Then if you see the size of the kitchen, which is very functional, and the utility area is attached with the kitchen, where all the wet are given for washing and washing your clothes and the utensils. Can you move towards your right, Ravi?
I think there seems to be some technical problem there.
Yeah, I think Ravi, we cannot.
So you can see the spacious dining area. Along with that, you so you can see the sizes of the windows and the pans. All the windows are provided with safety grills. Since these are French windows with for full ventilation and sunlight. So to make it safe for the kids and the elderly people, we are providing all safety grills. So you can see from the lowest floor until the highest floor, the top floor, these safety grills are provided on all the windows. The window placement of the windows are such that it is perfectly ventilated house. From both the sides, you have cross ventilation of air as well as sunlight. The unique thing is that none of the apartment is sharing any wall. So you have complete privacy and complete ventilation in all the apartments. This is another balcony which you see. All these metal and glazing work is done in-house by Shobha.
I think we have lost connectivity with the team.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we should move on to the next question.
Sure, definitely. Okay, so Mr. Alok is asking, how do you update home buyers about construction status? Miss Tina, would you like to answer that?
Yes, certainly. So, at Shobha, we're extremely process-oriented organization, given the customer-centric approach that we have. We have a fully integrated CRM team, that we formally introduce to home buyers after the initial booking amount is paid and initial formalities are done. The sales team introduces the CRM team. And from there on, the CRM, on a quarterly basis, sends the customers updates about the progress with pictures. There's a progress report that is sent to them. Also, something unique about Shobha is that unlike other developers, we don't demand payments from customers unless we have achieved the milestone, which means we will not send you a payment on the start of a foundation or start of a basement. We will send you a payment request only when we complete, and that's a part of our payment plan. And with that, with your payment request goes a picture of the apartment, picture of the development to show you how we are progressing, so you can be confident, in making your payments. And that's how CRM team does that. And we also encourage customers to visit our sales gallery often. The CRM team is available at the sales gallery and the site to show customers around personally.
Thank you. Mr. Manish is asking, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for families with kids? Mr. Manmeet, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, sure. So thanks a lot for the question, and I would just answer that in parts. So, for example, I have mentioned earlier while explaining the project as well about the facilities and the facilities for the family which have kids with them. So as I've already mentioned, 16 plus sports amenities, dedicated children's play area, and even people who have keen interest for your tennis, and we have floodlit tennis courts for them, so they can accommodate their interest even towards later in the evening as well. So these are the facilities which adds on to quite a nice lifestyle point of view, as well as on both the sides, family. This project has facilities for all age groups. So the 1 kilometer walking, jogging, and cycling trail answers for the morning walks and evening jogs. So that's how this project is feasible for all those families. And another part of this question, which was about the maintenance charges. So yeah. So hello, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So for the maintenance charges, so yes, we charge a component by the what is called as interest-bearing maintenance and service deposit. Okay, so which offsets our monthly maintenance charge to be 2.5 rupees per square foot of an area. Okay, which is very kind of a efficient cost on the pocket, and it doesn't feel like a pretty heavy selling out of the pocket, even on the monthly cycle as well.
Yeah,
So,
I'd like to just add that here. We're already doing this in one of our delivered projects in International City, which has a very premium villa community. We actually are charging only 2.5 rupees, which is again really unheard of in the NCR region, because the way we do our infrastructure, the way we lay out, it's so efficient that people don't have to spend too much on maintenance, and that's one of the again USPs, that that the projects are planned in such a way, executed in such a way that maintenance is very, very low. So 2.5 rupees is, I think, what we would charge in Shobha City, given that we are taking an interest-bearing corpus deposit already.
that's right.
Moving on, Mr. Ashok Agrawal is asking, I am a business owner looking to buy a property on Dwarka Expressway. Can you tell me more about the customized payment plan that you have? Mr. Ankit, would you like to answer that? Mr. Ankit, you are on mute.
So thanks for asking this question, Mr. Agarwal. We are glad that we have business owners and young entrepreneurs inquiring about our product and
Mr. Ankit,
choosing that also.
can you speak a little louder, please?
Yeah, so I'm thankful for the business owners and business community to have an interest in our project. And we have really a sensitivity towards the people who are planning to invest in our development. So for the people who are looking for a relaxed payment plan, we have developed flexible payment plans, which is 20/80. You can pay 20% within short duration of around 90 days, and 80% can be paid on actual offer of possession. So, there are certain towers depending upon the delivery timelines, wherein we are offering 30/70. So there you get little more time to pay the 70%. And in case somebody has funds available, they can offer construction link payment plan also. Now, the advantage of these plans are, first of all, for a business owner, they can arrange their funds, they can formalize their liquidation of investments, they can sell a property within these time frames. There are some people who have invested already in mutual funds or any other capital, you can say, tool of investment. So they get ample time to liquidate their funds. Somebody is planning to sell a property, somebody has invested that amount in their own business. Now it will take some time to bring out that fund. So it is very convenient for these people of different communities, you can say, to invest in our project, and the flexibility is given.
Mr. Sanjay is asking, what are the exclusive offers and discounts that I can expect from Sobha Group if I pay the booking amount now? Mr. Manmeet, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, for sure. Thanks a lot for that question. And I would just like to mention, as Mr. Ankit Bhardwaj just mentioned a moment ago, that we have quite a few payment plans which which a customer can choose and select to pay as per the financial feasibilities. But yes, we have quite a few options which we keep on rolling out. So, for example, now right now we have something called as Extraordinary Home Fest, which is up. So that's how we have planned, and that's always up to the time to time and the customer's feasibility of planning the finances as well. Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Tripti Gupta is asking, we are a family of 4 and looking to invest on Dwarka Expressway in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that the area is a safe location to invest in. Please help. Mr. Gupta, would you like to answer that?
Sure. Miss Tripti Gupta, right? She's the one who's asking the question. So this is a completely safe location from a safety point of view. Whether you talk about school buses for kids from reputed schools in Gurgaon, all reputed schools in Gurgaon have their bus services to this area, so your kids will be completely safe. Plus, at the project level as well, we have multiple levels of safety measures which have been implemented. So while you're away, you can be rest assured that you and your family members are completely safe.
Moving on, Mr. Mishra is asking, what is the possession date of your project? Mr. Ankit, would you like to answer that?
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Gupta, for the question. See, this is a flagship development, and the size and the magnitude of the project is around 39 acres. We have 22 towers and approximately 1,700 apartments. So we have options for all the requirements. In case somebody is looking for early possession, we have 6 towers which are getting handed over in another 16 to 20 months. Now, for the people who are thinking that they need time and they want to opt for the payment plans, and for the balance they need little more stretched timelines, we have options for those also. So first delivery, we are going to take another 16 months only. So that will be the time when NCR market will see the quality in a condominium. We have already covered International City. So 16 months is the time earliest delivery which we are taking.
Okay, Miss Nancy is asking, if we talk about property prices on Dwarka Expressway, how well is Sobha City placed in that market? Miss Tina, would you like to answer that?
Yes, certainly. So Dwarka Expressway, as you know, is a very sought after location, primarily given its connectivity to Delhi. And there is an ever growing demand for quality housing in this region. And there are some well-renowned developers who are operating on this stretch already, who have launched projects. There is an interesting product mix available on Dwarka Expressway, from affordable housing to premium group housing projects, and then to really ultra luxury homes. So the price range is anywhere between 6,500 to, for affordable housing, ranging to 9,000, 8,000 or 9,000 for premium group housing, and going to about 12,000 rupees for villa development like ours, which is International City. Considering that Dwarka Expressway is a completely different micro market, and most of our buyers who are interested are from Delhi and Dwarka. You must understand that Dwarka has a fairly large population, and in terms of living options, they have essentially just CGHS societies that are available there with very average quality of construction and zero or no amenities or lifestyle. And there, a regular apartment, which is, like I said, very, very average quality, sells at anywhere between 12 to 14,000 rupees a square foot. And in comparison to that, so it will be fair to then compare our project on Dwarka Expressway, where, we're offering a plethora of amenities, great lifestyle, secure environment, and all of these at a very, very competitive cost of between 8 to 9,000 rupees, like I mentioned. So it's a big value proposition for a superlative quality of construction.
Thank you. Miss Meera is asking, please help. Is it safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Gupta, would you like to answer that?
Sure. Neha, as you're aware, most of the developers have come up with lucrative offers for home buyers during this lockdown, and prices are at an all-time low already. I personally do not see any further scope of discounts going forward, considering the fact that the labor and the material costs are on the rise, as there's a scarcity of both of these inputs. Plus, there is a bottom price beyond which a developer will not be able to deliver the promised product, and that bottom has already it's already there. Also, the government has been doing its bit in terms of pumping in money in the economy by reducing the repo rates and home loans being available as low as 7.15%. Also, there is an NRI interest which has been ignited because of the valuation of rupee against the dollar has gone down. So I think prices, and considering all these factors, I see the prices will only go higher from there where they are right now. My suggestion would be to not wait and go ahead and block the deals which are available. Thank you.
Mr. Prem is asking, how will completion of Dwarka Expressway will impact the property prices in this project? Mr. Ankit, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question, and that has to be given some time to explain. The expressway is doing what? What is the you can say the relevance of Dwarka Expressway? Now, Dwarka Expressway is, as I mentioned in my presentation when I was explaining the location, Dwarka Expressway is connecting two areas which are generating humongous amount of employment, right? And the employment which is coming up in the border areas, as well as in Manesar, as well as in Udyog Vihar and Cyber City, Aero City. So these are the areas which are getting connected through Dwarka Expressway. And the current connectivity is, we all know the condition in the morning and the evening. So people are coming from Delhi and moving towards Manesar, and in between the areas which are coming, they are now moving towards Gurgaon. So the employment, I used to go to Connaught Place around 10 years back. I used to work for a company. So 10, 12 years back, most of the big organizations, they were having their base in Connaught Place. Over a period of last 12 years, 15 years, you can say, most of them have moved to either Aero City area or Cyber City or Udyog Vihar. Now, the relevance of Dwarka Expressway makes the connectivity between the employer, employment, and the employee. Right? In the coming times, there will be humongous retail as well as commercial supply in this area, which is already ready to be occupied by the organizations, by the companies. Big companies like Bharti, like the developments which are happening towards MEN's mall. So these are the spaces which are getting delivered now. And Dwarka Expressway will ease out the commute. Next is the ease of communication with the airport. So it will be a signal-free connectivity through a 4-kilometer long tunnel, which is going to connect this complete Dwarka Expressway stretch to T3, IGI. You need not to go to Mahipalpur and come back towards T3. So it will be a straight connectivity from these areas. For the first time, you can see diplomatic enclave coming out of the central Delhi and getting developed towards this area. That will also give a boost to this area and increase the valuation of the land prices in this area. Next is the International Expo Center, which is coming up. That is a humongous development which is going to create approximately 5 lakh new jobs. So all these developments which are happening, and with completion of Dwarka Expressway, see, any infrastructure development has 3 phases. First is the planning, which was done long time back. Second is the land acquisition, which is now complete. The time which was taken was for land acquisition. Now the fortunate part is the land acquisition part is completely done. Third is execution, which is going on at a very fast pace. Now we can see Dwarka Expressway coming becoming operational in another 15 to 20 months. At least the phase 1 will be delivered. So once it will be delivered, now is the reality which is, you can see on the ground. It is not only on the maps. So things are moving towards north only. I mean, the appreciation has to happen. There is no negative side about it.
Mr. Ankur is asking, in the worst case scenario, if the possession is delayed, will I be able to approach RERA? Mr. Ankit, would you like to answer that?
Definitely. We are a perfectly compliant organization, and the project is completely registered with RERA. And to let you know that all the builder-buyer agreements, they are getting registered with the relevant authorities. So in case of any dispute or any delay, you can definitely approach RERA.
Mr. Saket is asking, are there any hidden charges if I buy property from PropTiger? How does PropTiger work if there are zero charges for customers? Mr. Gupta, would you like to answer that?
Sure. Saket, there are absolutely no hidden charges if you buy from PropTiger. Whatever understanding we have before the deal, it gets documented, and that happens in presence of the developer. We have our revenues from the developer side, so it's a complete free service which we give to the customer, be it in terms of the documentation assistance or maybe helping him doing all the paperwork with the developer until he gets the possession of the property.
We have a lot of audience queries pouring in, but unfortunately, we are running out of time. So I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Ms. Tina.
Thank you. First of all, I'd like to thank PropTiger for this opportunity. I think it's a very interesting platform, and I'm so glad we could partner together on this. And I think one thing is proven during this whole crisis that has taken place right now, that real estate has proved to be the most reliable investment option. It is a distinct asset class, and it's simple to understand and can really reduce the risk and diversify an investor's portfolio. My recommendation to all potential home buyers will be, please just don't go for deals. Believe in deliveries. You have to check the credibility of the developer, in terms of, its importance, its background, its history, what have they delivered, what are they capable of. Location remains an important factor, so one must determine the growth curve of the location, and large group housing complexes or societies will be the preferred choice as they are self-sufficient and they are great value for money and, being great comfort considering all of us have been stuck to our homes for the last 2.5 months. It's imperative that you choose wisely. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, Ms. Tina. Mr. Ankit, your closing remarks.
First of all, I would like to thank PropTiger. It's a very long association with PropTiger. Sunny and Surbi, both of you, thanks a lot. The only thing which I would like to mention here is that it's your hard money, the clients, the prospects don't get swayed by anything. The only focus should be delivery, whether you are paying a small amount or larger amount, or you are taking home loan or you are self-funding. The focus, the idea behind house is to be stayed in. So if you will not be able to stay in your house, if you will not be able to enjoy your house and the amenities, then there is no point. So focus on delivery. The people who can deliver, go for them.
Thank you. Mr. Mandeep, your closing remarks, please.
Yeah, sure. So I would like to thank all for joining this webinar and PropTiger. And I would just want to say that I'm looking further to have you over the Shobha City Gurgaon and experience it yourself once and for all. And whatever we have spoken about Shobha City Gurgaon over here, you'll you also yourself think that that is all true, and that will be help you to take an informed decision further towards your purchase. Thank you.
Mr. Gupta.
Well, thank you everyone for joining us today. We hope we have been able to make this session knowledgeable for you, and we hope you and your families are safe. Stay home, stay safe, and take care. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.